Okay, I need some dowel pins for holding the cam cover on here. So this is the original one here. It's the only one I could find. Don't know where all the other ones are at. All my cases are robbed and everything else. So these are 5 thou under 3/8. So you can't just use a dowel pin, it's too big. And then the V-twin ones we're selling you with a 3/4. They were 3/8 also, not the small ones. At least what they used to sell. So what I'm going to do, I'm just making them out of some bolts. So I went and found some bolts that had the correct size, which were 370 to 371. So most of my bolts were 372. These ones here are 369.5 to 371 at max, but pretty much 370-ish. So close enough. So I already made one right there. So you got the original one right there, and you got this one right next to it. And what we're doing is we're just cutting the shank off. So I turn the head down, cut it off, then I cut off the shank with a hacksaw, and we're done. Doesn't take too long to do it. So we're getting 370.5, 369 down there. It's pretty much 370. 369.5, 371 there, 370.5, 371.5 there, 371. This side's bigger down here. Right next to the head there, I guess. So there's 370 and halfway down. So it'll work. So like I said, these are all pretty much in that general number area, bouncing around. So pretty much like the stock one. So we're going to use these. So the overall length, 1/16. I'm at 90, so I'm 30 thou longer than stock. It's not going to kill him. They don't sit flush anyway, so it'll be fine. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this one off. I just cut it down until the head disappears. So I'm going to do a little trimming. I don't know if you can really see what I'm doing with this stuff, but get up high enough you might be able to see something maybe. Not really. But right there. Yeah. Once again, not very good. Alright, well anyway, we're going to show you what we're going to do here. Better material than the last one. Since it's one more solid glue instead of one of parts. Showing anything. I'm running my head down here. Better? Probably not much better. We got a little extra, so we got a little extra this time. cuts the piss out of you when you try to force it. Chamfer on the edge there. And the head is gone. There you go. All nice and gone. Do the next one too, what the hell. Yeah, bad view. Let me get over here in my way. Get in my view. There's what I look at. This cuts better than the last one. Alright. Head be gone. Gotta waste some file. I need a file. Flip it around. Let's see, probably should check my length to see exactly where I'm at. Yeah, looks like I'm going to be a little long again. How about this one? Yeah. They're all going to be long. Alright. We'll cut some more off. Shorter. Precision measurement device. Butt of your finger. Looks better. Do the same with this one. Right here. I can shorten the one I cut already also. These can be fine-tuned. $30 thou too long? No more. the one's cut too long. Shorter. Okay, how close to 1060 are we now? 1065, 3 thou too long. There you go. Yeah, until you measure it. Yeah, this one says mine's too long. Harley one's longer than mine. Yeah, must have measured something wrong. Oh, 68. Well, there's a chip under that damn thing. Oh, there's a burr on that thing. They got a titty in the center. I don't have a titty in the center of mine. Okay, so then we go ahead and put this in here like that. Yeah, maybe out that far. You can miss your old manual. That'd be Mr. Manual Labor. Called a hacksaw. Cut long. Look it up. It's gone. And we shorten it up a little bit. Smooth it up. Appears to be a little uneven. Pull it and measure it. Too short, 53. We'll leave it. 10 thou too short. I cut too much off the other end. See, that's what happens trying to make stuff perfect. Alright. Let's see where this one comes in at. Mr. Manual Labor again. Back in business. It took me to go get a cut-off blade and get all that workbench cleared away so I can do some grinding. I already got a cut. Probably enough. Bolts are semi hard, so they break real easy. Brittle, that's the word I was thinking of. Brittle. Yeah, this time let's not cut so much off. Alright. What we got this time? 88. I left a lot that time. Should be about 70. 73. 10 more thou to go. Okay, I screwed up 57. Got 5 too much. Oh well. It's hard to get good help these days. It's really, really hard to get good help. Okay, so now we got 4 dowel pins. We only need 2. So I'm going to put these back in the motor, get going on it.